up and just felt right. Phone blown like a tailpipe. Today's schedule airtight. I turn a short day into a long night. See you soon if you got the heart. Meet you outside Rennie Park. Hurry up if it's getting dark. We don't say much and that says a lot. Hop into that old bands. Drive through that road.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Mo.SF. I'm about to go to the gym. I got my gym stuff, got my gym bag, you know what I'm saying, all of that. So I'm about to just do like this video and then the next video combined, because I made, hold on, let me turn down this music. Because I made a how-to video on for the lighter and everything. I'll probably put that with this and make that as one video. Peace. All right, guys, I'm here at my gym. I go to Planet Fitness. If y'all want to know my workout, I'll put it here on the screen.
Young Wayne on the O's, aka Mr. Make It Rain on the Young Money. Call me until I can make it. Call me until I can make it. So I can make it. Young Money. Make it. So I can make it. I will never stop.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. If y'all want to know my workout, just hit me up on any of my socials. I was gonna put it one in here, but you can't really see the full detail and like the workouts I do. So I'ma just hit me up if you wanna know my workout. Comment y'all workouts, you know what I'm saying? Comment if you like do any special workouts for like your legs or for your upper body or like back or any of those workouts. And tell me in the comments below what y'all do. So yeah, without further ado, see y'all. So I was talking about how I got fluid for this, my lighter, because it wasn't lighting at first. So I was like, why is it not lighting? So I looked it up why, and for these type of lighters where you have to flick it and then do that, you have to have fluid, right? So I went to Walmart. You can get it at Walmart, Walgreens, Home Depot. I believe you can get it at Home Depot. So it has to say lighter fluid on there. And then this is Zippo. For Zippos, you have to use Zippo lighter or Resolve. Don't know how to say it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's Resinol. So now it lights. Look, it lights. See? Yep. It lights like that. And then, so for you to put in the light, you have to do it like that. Take off the cap, right? Make sure this is not hot. Damn, that shit's still hot. Hold on, I'm gonna come back to you when it cools down. All right, guys, I'm back. It cooled down. It took like 2 minutes to cool down. So what you gotta do, it comes off like that. All right, you can set this other piece, the shell part, just off to the side. And then you're gonna flip it, right? And there's gonna be a little tab right here where it says lift to fill, and you lift it up like that, right? And while you lift up, you're gonna pour this in there. I would say do it for like 30 seconds. You do need a coin. That's the only thing you really need. You need like I got a nickel. You need like a dime or a penny. Something that's small, a penny like this, to open the top. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna open this top right here. You're gonna get in that groove and just, you're gonna open it like that. There we go. Once that's open, then you would pour, of course, onto this lifted tab. You would pour it on there, and then when you're done, of course, close the top so nothing can come out. Then put the lighter back in there like so, and when you do it, boom, you would have your fire. So that's all for Zippo lighters.
Ooh la la. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la.
Yeah, say ooh.